Welcome to Advantage, our loyalty program designed to reward your dedication to helping clients achieve their dream of homeownership. In this video, we'll walk you through how it works. Advantage is available to all of our partners. To access Advantage, select the Loyalty button at the top menu of your partner portal. You will find three main sections: Earn, Redeem, View History. Earn. In the Earn section, you'll see how you can earn points by taking actions with A&D. This includes closing loans, attending webinars, and engaging with us. Close loans. To explore your earning potential on funded loans, click Close Loans in the Earn section. Each funded loan has the potential to earn you up to a total 4,500 points. For every loan you close with A&D, you will receive a base of 1,500 points in your Advantage account. In addition, we reward you with extra points for getting it done quickly and efficiently. This means that the faster you get the loan to clear to close status and the fewer times the underwriter reviews your file, the more points you earn. Thus, if you get a loan to CTC status within 15 or 21 days, you will earn 1,500 or 1,000 extra points, respectively. And if your file has 2 to 3 or 4 touches by the underwriter, you'll earn 1,500 or 1,000 points, respectively. Learn and earn. Advantage also offers points for expanding your knowledge base. Each A&D webinar you attend translates into 500 points in your Advantage account. To start earning points on webinars, select Attend an Onboarding Webinar or Attend an Educational Webinar. Click Register and choose the event you are interested in. Follow and earn. Staying connected with A&D Mortgage also translates into Advantage points. Thus, you can earn a one-time 500-point bonus for confirming your email or following us on LinkedIn. To earn points for email confirmation, select Confirm Your Email and click the Confirm button. Submit your address, wait for the confirmation email, and confirm your address. To earn points for following us on LinkedIn, start following our LinkedIn page. If you haven't already, follow us on LinkedIn. Provide your link and click the Submit button to share your link. In the Redeem section, you'll see how you can use your points to get a reward. Here's what you can expect. Save money for your client. You can use your points to cover some of the closing costs, including reducing the cost of an appraisal report by $500 with 9,000 points, offering a free 3-day lock extension with 8,000 points, waiving the underwriting fee on a non-QM loan or on a conforming loan for 20,000 points and 15,000 points, respectively. Get more control and close faster. You can also redeem your 10,000 points for a rush on closing option to expedite a closing for your client. Get exclusive gifts. Additionally, you can be rewarded with exclusive gifts, such as a branded Mortgage Expert t-shirt for 500 points, a Partner Wellness Kit, 1,000 points, and a Certified Expert email signature badge for 500 points. To redeem your points, select the reward you would like to receive. Click the Redeem button, fill out the short request form, and click Submit. View History. The View History section allows you to keep track of all of your activities within Advantage. Check your balance, monitor the status of your requests, and keep track of your transactions. We are constantly adding new rewards to our loyalty program, so keep an eye out for even more ways to spend your points.